Welcome to episode 1 of Poppin' with Mio. Today we're going to be making home-style popcorn using my favorite method. Let's get started. You don't need much for this, just a half cup of kernels, 3 tablespoons of butter, and some popping oil. You can get started by adding oil to your pan just to cover the bottom. Throw some salt and a couple indicator kernels onto medium heat. There is some controversy in the popcorn world about whether to use medium or high heat. I highly recommend that you use medium heat. Once a few of your indicator kernels have popped, get the rest of your kernels in the bath. As soon as you add your corn, make sure to take the pot off the heat and give a swirl. Keep it off the heat for about 20 seconds. This will bring the temperature of the popcorn to just under popping temperature. While you're popping, you can go ahead and cut off 3 tablespoons of butter. And once your popcorn slows down, you can vent the steam and turn off the heat. We're going to remove the pot from the stove and slice the butter so that it will melt faster. Once you've sliced it, pour the popcorn into a separate bowl. It's not done yet. Don't eat it. Set that aside, and we're going to put the pot back on the stove and dump in the butter and set this to low to medium heat just until the butter melts, which shouldn't take long at all. Now dump most of the butter into a pouring cup of some kind, but keep a little bit in the bottom and just spread that out across the bottom of the pot. Dump your popcorn back into the pot, sprinkle with some salt, then just give it a good shake. You really want to stir that up well. Next, take your butter and drizzle it all across your popcorn to get a nice even coat, and then do another shake. You can add more salt now if you want, but it's probably good. Anyways, just pour it into a serving bowl, whatever you have clean, and you are done. I promise you're going to love this popcorn. It is the best. Well, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider giving it a thumbs up. I'll see you next week on Poppin' with Mio. Thanks for watching.